In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI Image Generator for beginners. If you've ever needed a quick, original image for a design, Canva's AI Image Generator can turn a simple description into a custom visual in seconds. It's great for social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, and backgrounds, and the process is straightforward. Start by opening Canva and heading to the project you want to work on. This could be a design you've already started or a fresh canvas. Once your project is open, look to the left side of the screen and click on Elements. This is the panel where you normally find shapes, graphics, and photos. In that same panel, you'll see an option for AI-generated images right under the Elements search bar. In the search field, type a clear description of what you want to see. The more specific you are, the better the results. For example, you might write, a baby girl sitting on a chair beside a car at the beach, warm sunset light, soft pastel colors. Adding small details like lighting, mood, or style helps the AI understand your vision. Keep your description natural, like you're telling a friend what you want, and avoid unnecessary punctuation or extra long sentences. When you're happy with your prompt, click Generate Images. Canva will process your description and, after a brief moment, show a set of related images that match what you asked for. You'll typically see multiple variations so you can compare and pick the one that fits your design best. From here, just click an image to place it directly into your project. You can drag it, resize it, or position it behind text and other elements, exactly like any other photo in Canva. If a result is close but not perfect, go back to the prompt and tweak a few words. Try changing the setting, the time of day, or the style, then generate again. Small adjustments often lead to much better images. That's it. Thanks for watching.